Hi guys, how's it going today? We are working on the lawnmower. This lawnmower was given to us, and we're going to try to get it running today. So let's see what we can do. We're replacing the battery on it now. I had a new battery on my old one, pan over there. And as you all can see, Tyler, if you pan out there, you can see how tall my grass is. So we need to get this thing going quickly, don't we, son?
Yes, we do. We'll both be mowing, hopefully.
Well, let's see if I can get the wrench back up in here. Okay guys, we are back and we're gonna try to drain this gas out. So I'm gonna take this clamp loose and move it back. And let's just see if the gas starts flowing freely. Boy, that's really on there. Really good. Let's see. That does not want to come off of there. Well, let's try to take this one off here. See if it'll come off. I don't know, it's like welded in there. It's coming slowly. It will not come off. Well, let's try to take this hose off and see if it'll come out. All right. The gas is coming out of it, so that's good. I'm going to see if I can't find an old gas can to put that in. Give me that gas can over there. I know. I'm draining the old gas into there. So it's very important to get the old gas out. Oh God, I wish, take the lid off. Smell-o-vision. Let's put that into there. I mean, that gas is so old, guys, it won't even, like if you was to set a match to it, it wouldn't even burn. That's how old the gas is. All right, while that's draining, we're gonna take a little break, guys. Trying to teach Tyler how to put these clamps on. You know, just wiggle it back and forth. Did you get it? All right, now slide that other clamp back on to the gas filter there. There you go. All right, right there.
Okay.
That should be it.
Where does this go to?
All right, you want to try to put some, Where's what go to?
This.
You see the cover?
Yeah.
You see where you just plugged the
Yeah.
gas in? That one right next to it.
Oh.
All right, you want to put some gas in it?
Yeah.
Then do. All right, now we are going to put some air in the tires, hopefully. Hopefully they'll blow up. Oh yeah, that's a raising up there, eh?
I can't even reach them. I don't think that's
All right, I think we're good on that one. Oh wow, this one actually has a cap on it. Go unplug that, go unplug that. It probably just kicked the breaker. Did you not hear it go, Okay. Here, pull the grass away from that tire. Let me see where I need it.
Where's this one going?
Yeah, you should probably start them all before you screw them all in. Okay, Tyler is on the mower. We've got it all back together now. Tyler, you want to start it up? Well, you could have left the brake in there. Speed it up to the rabbit. Turn the blades on. It is kind of sluggish. We're missing one part on it, some kind of black thing on it that we don't know where it goes. So I'm going to talk to the owner and see if he knows where it goes. But we do have it working.